the safety car was called, and just watching now the tow trucks have arrived on the scene. Good that there's been no medical intervention required.
Alright, so we got young Kobie here. It's his first Bathurst. And how old are you, Kobie? Young 16?
16, yeah.
So how'd you go, mate?
Overall, pretty good weekend. No damage to the car, which is a positive.
Yeah, because
23 in the last race, which was good.
there was a few accidents on the track. Were you around any of them?
Yes, I had a car spin in front of me, so luckily I missed that. And
Set me through that one. When it crashed in front of you, what was going through your head?
don't hit him.
first thoughts, yeah?
Yeah.
So you obviously skated around that one?
Yeah, there's lots of cars and carnage everywhere, so...
Have you had any insight from anyone older than you as far as, you know, picking your racecraft and on the track and how to drive and stuff?
I mean, it comes from everyone, really. They teach you little tricks every time you go to different tracks and stuff like that.
So they're giving you lots of good support then?
Yeah.
That's really good from the other drivers. So how long have you been doing this now?
I've been doing this since the end of November.
End of November, so that's about 6 months.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. And what position did you get today?
23rd in the last race.
And that was out of how many in the car, in the field?
55, I think.
55. So you were in the top half of the field and you're only 16, mate.
Yeah.
Mate, that's a real big achievement for you.
Yeah, thank you.
So did you do karting or anything like this before?
I did karting for 8 years.
8 years, yeah?
When I was 8, and then now I've progressed onto this.
And do you do any of the mechanics work with your dad or anything?
I do. I help him. I try to help him anyway.
Well, you've got to start somewhere, and like you're driving, it's only going to get better from here.
Yeah, that's it.
So, and where are you from again?
Melbourne.
That's a big drive for you and your dad.
Yep.
So you're heading back now, are you?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Okay. Mate, I really do appreciate you taking the time with us, and I really wish you the best with all your career, mate.
Okay, thank you very much.
Only way is up from here.
Okay, thank you.
Catch you later.
Let's go on. All but blocking the straight 3 or 4 cars just past the start line have all gone into each other, and we cannot pick up any further details other than the fact that the track is